Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this series. The person I'm trying to help does not have, they've got X8, and it's totally different in find and replace, so I'm using X7 on an old computer. But we've got these, and we're trying, if you didn't follow along with the first couple, we're trying to get rid of this hairline that they had to use to draw. So we're going to, hit F4 on the keyboard and everything will come back. We're going to select everything. I don't normally like to ungroup all, but we're going to, well, evidently it's already ungrouped. All right, so now we're going to use find and replace in X7 or X8. Edit, find and replace, find objects, begin new search. Here's the difference. You know, the other one was a docker. Click on outline, outline properties. Next, width, exactly, we want 0.5. I think we have to, I don't know if you can say no color. Because that's probably white. Anyway, don't have to worry about that. It's been a while since I've used X7. Next, finish, find all. I'm going to Control G to group them. Now I put them behind the page, and one thing I failed to do is to change my nudge factor. Let's see how big this thing is. 200 millimeters, let's make it 220. And let's grab that white, which should be grouped together, and there you have it. Now that is a white or a right circle. If we go to Object, Order, back a page, you can see that those circles are white. So I'm afraid that when we get rid of the hairline, we're going to have a problem. So I'm going to pick, now I can pick all the hairline and go right here and right click, no outline. That got rid of all the outlines. But I think the problem is that that's going to be in front. So what we're going to have to do is select all of our letters. I'm going to shift select, so I've got 11 selected, 22 to make sure you have them all, 33, and 44. Control G to group them together. Let's move them out of the way. Let's put our white dots in front. Now, the only thing we need to make sure of is that these are on the front of the page. Go to Object, Order. Well, maybe they're already on the front page. Yeah, there we go. So everything's done. I actually like X7 or X8, find and replace a little bit better. But anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.